Our company is a comprehensive enterprise integrating development, manufacturing, sales and services. The company is located in the Pearl River Delta, where economic strength and development vitality are better. Our company has gathered a group of skilled and experienced engineering and technical personnel, including mechanical design and manufacturing, electrical automation and other majors. The main products are fiber cement board production line, calcium silicate board production line, and fiber cement corrugated sheet machine, etc. Our company has 3 departments: design, R&D, manufacturing, and project service, to realize 3-dimensional dynamic design and provide complete sets of services such as PLC systems. We has become a large-scale professional enterprise of fiber cement board production line, calcium silicate board production line, and fiber cement corrugated sheet machine. Our machine market share in China is the highest, reaching more than 80%, and are also exported to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, South America, Central Asia, etc. We rely on excellent product quality and reliable product performance, with more advanced technology, to provide customers with a better product system and a more complete service process, to create greater value. Fiber cement board equipment is a special equipment for the production of fiber cement boards. It adopts advanced computer control technology, combined with the essence of various technologies such as machinery, electronics, and automation control to realize the automation and efficiency of fiber cement board production. Fiber cement board equipment is widely used in the production of flooring, wall plates, fireproof boards, and various other composite boards of industrial and civil buildings. It is the preferred equipment for fiber cement board manufacturers. If you are interested in our machine, you are welcome to visit our factory.